Let's make some tea with me. Well, we're gonna make a tea today from ginger, cloves, hibiscus, flower, and whatever this is. Let me remember the name. I don't know. Fuck it. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna need some water. Boil it. Dash this ginger. Take some hibiscus flower. Looks like that. Toss it in. Get a little bit more. Fucking hell. Opa. Yeah. Toss it in. Take some fucking cloves. Oh, it smells banging. You know what? Toss them in. So this red powder is sumac flower, yeah? So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Boom. 1 tablespoon. Smack it in. Stir it up a little bit. Bring it to boil. Then reduce the flames. Simmer it for like, I don't know, they say 15 minutes. I'll say 20, you know, be different. And yeah, wait till the magic gonna happen.